This is the GROHE Tempesta-F Trigger Spray hand shower with wall holder and 1250mm shower hose. This useful and affordable detail is a perfect addition to your bathroom. The Trigger Control Spray offers accurate cleaning for extra convenience and hygiene. It features SpeedClean nozzles, so limescale can be removed quickly and easily. The Trigger Spray Set also features an Inner WaterGuide that protects the surface, a TwistFree hose and a durable GROHE StarLight chrome finish. The GROHE Tempesta-F Trigger Sprays are available in a variety of combinations and designs. Get precision cleaning in a sleek package with a GROHE Tempesta-F Trigger Spray 30 wall holder set.